Sonth Mubarak, Sonth Mubarak, Kashmiri Sonth Mubarak. The advent of spring in Kashmir. This is Thal-Barun and Thal-Barun in the morning in Kashmiri Pandits homes all over the world, ladies and gentlemen. Just see what a beautiful feeling and what an excellent feeling. Each and everything depicts happiness and just exuberance. This is the old last year's Panchang, 5,100 years last year. Now it is 5,101 year of Kashmiri Pandits' existence. My 5,101 years of existence, Saptarishi. And then the last time it was, now we will be having, after 15 days, there will be a Navre, means New Year for Kashmiri Pandits, for Kashmir. And last time the Navre was on 30th March 2025. This day, today is 14th of March 2026, and today we have the last year's Nechapatra Asan Panchang of last year, and after 15 days we'll be having the new Nechapatra, means new almanac for the complete 1 year till 2027 of Navre, New Year Day. Will be having that Panchang. That will be the do and do nots in the home, so that our thing is in control. Otherwise, big problem that to the topic, ladies and gentlemen, each and everything it here depicts something very important. Walnut, these are the four corners of the world. These are the four Vedas of the Sanatan Dharma. Walnut means regeneration and growth. And then mirror. What does mirror? It means self-reflection and need to know that what is in our mind, our own inner thing is reflected in the mirror. So very important, ladies and gentlemen, it means self-reflection and positivity. The currency and coin and cash means wealth and good fortune. And then you are having pen and inkpot. Previously there used to be inkpot. पुराने ज़माने में inkpot रखते थे, और सोच पद आसान कलम ओस आसान पत ओस आसान आक pen ओस आसान. Now symbolic we are keeping the pen, and ladies and gentlemen, with all respect and humility, and it depicts knowledge, it depicts creativity, it depicts future continuity and future education and what not. Ladies and gentlemen, knowledge and creativity, I told, very important dimension of this day of Sonth and Thal-Barun. And then curd and rice, curd and rice. Rice means this कच्चा means the which आसान तुमुल होती, कच्चा तुमुल means बिना पका हुआ. ये बासमती राइस है, pure basmati rice. And then this means curd, and this rice means, ladies and gentlemen, very important because it nourishes us. And curd and salt, it says purity and nourishment. Flowers are also very important. This is Yamberzal flowers. Usually they are Yamberzal flowers. It means beauty of the spring, because today we are speaking about the spring only, advent of spring in Kashmir. And these are the memories that stay with us, ladies and gentlemen. So I told you about the flowers, and way and herb, it is healing. And bread means this is a Kashmiri kosher sort, Kashmiri rotten. It is food for sustenance, ladies and gentlemen. Very important day with all humility, submission, and reverence of the continuity of the faith and the memories that stay in our hearts and in our minds till eternity. Ladies and gentlemen, there is cooked rice also. The cooked rice is cooked and served and kept here because it is the life sustenance. Ladies and gentlemen, these women prepare one day before this thal, and then with all the devotion, and they in the morning take it around the household people to see and view, and that is known as Buth Vuchun. It's believed that it brings good luck for the whole year. Ladies and gentlemen, very important day, and very important day for Kashmiri Pandits. Families visit temples and elders for blessings. Music, laughter, and flowers fill the air on this very important day, ladies and gentlemen. And farmers welcome the new agriculture season on this very important day. Ladies and gentlemen, this very important day is a festival of memory and identity. Many Kashmiri Pandits celebrate Sonth away from their homeland. Despite displacement, the tradition continues. Sonth remains a symbol of culture, resilience, and hope for return of the Kashmiri Pandits who have been enduring this displacement, exile, and genocide from their homeland Kashmir for 47 years since 1990. And now Nishkasan. Today is 14th March 2026. You just see 36 years of exile. But the faith, the memories, the identity, like Iran, like Persia, they are fighting for the identity. Just yesterday, the bombs were on one side, and all the leaders were marching in the streets. They were marching in the streets in just to hold and uphold their identity, uphold their their roots of more than 7,000 years. That is what Kashmiri Pandits are doing for the last 36 years, and they are trying with all their rituals, with all their memories, and with all their heirloom to stay together and stay with their heads high, and for continuity, and for health and happiness of themselves and their progeny. That is the message of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Sonth Mubarak. Kashir pat pe me wanun. I have to speak in Kashmiri now, because why English and sometime Hindi also, Urdu also, but my mother tongue near my heart is Kashmiri only, that so that it can be understood by all. That's why I speak in English. Otherwise, Kashir patan one punch. Kashir Perchu, Sarni Kashrin, and the Sarni, especially Kashmiri Pandits, who have been weeping for the last 36 years for Timan Panya Gar Khatran, Timan Bad Dukh Unistamatan, Kibay ke Gar Gatso, Magar تِم چھِ پَنٕنۍ سٲری ٹریڈِشنٕز تِم چھِ ساری پَنٕنۍ یِم رِچوَلٕز چھِ چاہے سُہ ہیرَتھ چھِ چاہے سُہ سونٛتھ تھال بَرُن چھُ آز یا چاہے 15 دۄہَن پَتَن چھُ نَورے چھُ أسۍ چھِ وٕنِس تامَتھ یُس کٔشیٖر چھِ مٲج کٔشیٖر چھِ سُہ یُس ییٚتہِ أسۍ پٔتمیو 5,500 ؤرِیَن پٮ۪ٹھ ٲسۍ روزان کیٛازِ وۄنۍ یی 5,102 ؤری یی وۄنۍ یَتھ سَپتَرشی وول سٲنِس کٲشرٮ۪ن بَٹَن منٛز اِسی لیے چھُ Sarni Kashiran, the especially Kashiran button, ye Sonth Mubarak, Thal-Barun Mubarak. Stay happy and stay smiling. We will, we will win, not by violence, by good sense. Our Kashmir, homeland back, ladies and gentlemen, because good sense in the 21st century that has to prevail and that has to just find its place in the times of the history. Thank you.